has been the query of most of the investor now. When markets are falling, the query is whether it will go further, and when markets are high, we have whether it will sustain. So the doubt is always there in mind, what will happen next. But do we need to bother? Now let me ask one query to you all. Do we need to bother about downside or how much limited upside? Do we need to bother? What we have learned so far?
Not really, sir. Quality stocks.
Yeah, so hold your stocks and enjoy the ride of market and be in quality stocks. So if we can keep this understanding that we need to hold stock and will only hold quality stocks. I think the definition is very much clear now. What is quality stocks? Anybody who is still confused what is quality stocks? Because I think before even I must say for myself, before I got the understanding of what is quality stocks, for me, it was a big question mark that okay, people are saying quality stock, good stock, blue chip stocks. What are those blue chip stocks? Which are those blue chip stocks? Okay, but now the query is totally clear in my mind. So anybody who is still confused what is quality stocks, or everybody is okay now to understand what is quality stocks?
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Because I joined a couple of minutes late.
Okay.
I just missed the point. Can you
summarize? Not talk much. We said कि generally what happened. One of our Venkatesh ji, from this group, he asked that I was saying that market is doing very well. Market is doing very well now. So are we enjoying? So he said कि yes, enjoying, but only question raises whether it will sustain or it will again fall. So on contrary, my question from him was कि markets are rising and markets are at high. Do as a investor now, being a good investor, I think being a learned investor, do we need to think about whether market will go down or why markets are falling? Because we are in quality stocks, so we don't require to think much of all those things. Do you agree, friend?
Yeah, but sir, my strategy is giving a return which is even less than the index returns.
Which
Warren
Okay.
Buffett, it has not even given the returns which the index has given.
No issue. We will discuss.
Sir, when we subscribe for a strategy, we at least expect to get returns more than the index, because simple going, otherwise I would have gone for an index fund.
Correct, Ajay ji. So we will also discuss why for any particular quarter a strategy can not give a better return than index. So there can be a scenario, and what are those scenarios when market do not provide great return than index sometime. Okay, so we are going to discuss that, Ajay ji. Okay, anything else?
And also the question is that, so when the markets fall, there will be a secular fall. Most of the stocks will fall. Even the quality stocks that you mentioned about,
exactly,
they will also fall. This is what I have been seeing since 2001. I have seen 2007. I have seen, and every crash there is a secular fall. Even the last March, same thing happened. Whether it is TCS or Infosys or Reliance, pretty much every stock fell down. That's why you see that. Whoever had got out of the market by that time before the crash happened, they must be laughing all the way to the bank. But who stayed invested, they are not seeing that like doubling of the income that happened in the last 1 year.
No, they are already, the stocks are at all-time high, so the returns are still okay in that. So if you are holding, see what happened, that would be a heroic move. Like you exit at highs and you enter at lows of the market. When markets are crashing, you are exited, and when markets are again from bottoming out, and you are enter, that would be a heroic move. I don't think only few people can do that, but yes, if you do your kind of position sizing, you can say, or you can do what, that okay, that these are quality stocks. If I have extra fund with me, okay, so when markets are falling, then I will buy at lower rate. I will buy quality stocks at lower rate. So like, I don't know whether that can be done or not. Even I'm 15 years from in stock market now, so it has been
I fully agree, sir. It's near impossible.
Yeah.
Near
So
impossible.
we invested. This is what is needed as an investor, and that particular thing would be a kind of trading bet. And in bet, either you lose or you make profit. But in investment, the chance of making profits are more. Okay, so the chance, in trading bet, the chance is 50-50, but in investment, which is not a bet, so I have never seen that a bet coming with investment. So there is no suffix for, okay, a bet is not a suffix for investors or investment. So agar aap investment kar rahe hain, so what will happen? The probability will be 80-20, 80% winning and 20% losing if anything happens bad to any particular stock. Okay, that is quality stocks. Yeah. So I'm left with one query: why some of the strategies are still not giving return better than index. So I'm going to answer that. Any other query? Any other query? Or should we take that query? Any other query, friends? Apart from this? Any other query?
Sir, will you also tell us how to use the app efficiently?
Yeah, exactly. I will show you some important part of app so that you can use it efficiently. We'll discuss that. No issues.
And just some good criteria also which you should use.
Okay. We'll discuss that. We'll try to discuss that. Okay, criteria app. Okay.
विकास जी हेलो
Yes, Kailash ji, बोलिए.
अभी मेरा ये सेकंड टाइम का क्वेश्चन है. मैंने पहले भी पूछा था, आपने जस्ट हाँ किया था, मगर उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया.
हाँ, बताइए.
अब जब भी बोलते हो कि ये प्रीवियस वीक का हम लो पे बाय करना है और मंथली लो पे बाय करना है, फिर भी स्टॉक गिरता है, कब तक हम बाय करेंगे? कहाँ पर हमारा यू विल स्टॉप द बाइंग नाउ? जब स्टॉक गिरता है तो वो लो से लो ब्रेक होके चलता है. योर आप इज सेइंग दिस इज द लेवल यू हैव टू बाय, previous week buy, previous day low buy, monthly low buy, then the low also broken, but we have limited funds. So एक स्टॉप में कब तक हम बाय करेंगे? ये मेरा सेकंड टाइम का क्वेश्चन है. आप थोड़ा उसका आंसर कीजिए.
पहले आंसर कर देता हूँ आज, अगर आपका सेकंड टाइम क्वेश्चन है तो सबसे पहले तो आपको ये डिफाइन करना है कि आपका टोटल फंड कितना है. ठीक है, आपका टोटल फंड जो भी है, आप उसका 5% से ज्यादा उस स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट ही मत करो. You start with 2-3%, ठीक है, of your fund of investing in that particular stock. 5 से कहीं पे आप मैक्सिमम 7 से 8% तक जा सकते हो, but don't go beyond that. समझ में आया सर आपको? तो are you getting me, friend? आपको समझ में आया ये पॉइंट? हेलो, किसने पूछा था ये सवाल? ओके, कैलाश जी. कैलाश जी, ठीक है, चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. सो कैलाश जी, आप 5 से 7% से ऊपर मत जाइए कोई भी स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट. डू नॉट गो मोर देन 7% इन एनी पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. 7% से ज्यादा उसमें इन्वेस्ट ही मत करिए. तो आपका स्ट्रेस ही खत्म हो गया. अब आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, 2-2.5% आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया और वापस से मंथली लो पे मिल रहा है, आपने वापस से 2% इन्वेस्ट किया. फिर अगर वो गिरता है स्टॉक्स, तो मैक्सिमम दैट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट एट एनी अदर लो would be 2%. Do not keep on buying any particular stock if they are not performing. Okay. Will not.
What is the ideal size of a portfolio? How many stocks should be there?
Generally, we suggest 25 stocks, not more than that. Okay. 20 to 25 stocks. Otherwise, more than that would be it will be very difficult to manage. Okay, and if you can manage, the maximum portfolio which we suggest can be 35 to 40. If you can manage, if you have
And sir,
ample time,
minimum, sir, ideal minimum.
ideal minimum is 25 stocks. 25 stocks तो minimum होने ही चाहिए आपके portfolio में. 25 से 30 stocks minimum होने ही चाहिए. उससे आप सेक्टर रोटेशन आती है या बाजार में कोई भी खराब मूवमेंट, तो उससे क्या होता है, आपका 5-5.5% का ही एक इन्वेस्टमेंट रहता है.
पर सर आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी तो नॉर्मली 15 से नॉर्मली एवरेज 15.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली स्ट्रेटेजी. इसीलिए हम लोग सजेस्ट भी करते हैं कि आपके पास मिनिमम 2-3 स्ट्रेटेजी होनी चाहिए. मैं आपका वो एक्चुअली जो अजय जी आप जो सवाल कर रहे हैं, अब मैं आपका पहला आंसर पे आने वाला हूँ. आपके पहले सवाल के आंसर पे इसी तरीके से आना है हमारा, कि आज कोई भी इन्वेस्टर हैं, उनके पास मिनिमम 25 से 30 स्टॉक्स तो होने चाहिए. एक स्ट्रेटेजी आपको अगर 15% का 15 स्टॉक देती है, 10 से 15, तो हर एक के पास मिनिमम 2-3 स्ट्रेटेजीज होने चाहिए. इसीलिए आप देखेंगे हर चीज हम लोगों ने लॉजिकली बनाया है. इसलिए वी हैव क्रिएटेड दैट थ्री स्ट्रेटेजीज पैकेज. 3 strategies package we have created. ठीक है, so that you can have at least 25 stocks in your portfolio. Okay, friends.
Sir, just I have one question here. Say I want to stick only with the large cap. Like example, now I am comfortable with the large cap, your large cap strategy.
Okay.
Right? So which I saw historically, the number of stocks vary from 6 to 9, 10, 12, whatever. So here, as per the portfolio allocation, I have to allocate equally, right? Here the 5% or 7% doesn't come into picture.
Exactly.
So if I'm sticking only with that, still is okay, right? It's not like that I should go for 10 strategies.
If you no, you don't need to buy other strategies. But if you have 10 lakh rupees, so you should invest only 3 lakh rupees in one strategy which has only 6 or 7 stocks. You should not invest all the 10 lakh rupees in one strategy.
Okay, got it.
Are you getting me, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Uske bawajood, if you are investing in strategies 7%, then the risk will be bigger. You need to understand that point of view. The risk will be bigger. Sometimes some strategy will not beat index for a quarter. So that kind of scenario will also come. And other strategy will beat the index. Okay. So these things will happen.
But sir, but Warren Buffett is almost 8 months now, sir. You gave those lists in July.
We will discuss, Ajay ji, we will discuss with the strategy. I'm with you, sir. We are going to discuss now that only. So let us come to Warren Buffett straight away. Okay. So anybody who joined late, let me tell them. So we are going to discuss about Warren Buffett's strategy, which has given less return than index. So we can discuss why it is happening so for Warren Buffett, that it has given a less return. So let me check what was the gap between index and the strategy.
At the moment, it is 34 and 42. 34% for the strategy and 42% for the index.
We are opening the strategy. No issue, please. So we have, so the return of, so there is 8% gap in the strategy for till now, 42% in index and 34% is the strategy. So let us see how it has behaved earlier. So पहले हम लोग पहले क्या हुआ था वो भी एक बार समझ लेते कि पहले कभी ऐसा किया है क्या इसने कि where the strategy has not performed more than index. So if we see in 2015-16, index was 3% and it was 27%, 23 and up to the mark of index. Then there was 9% and 40%, 5%. Yes, there was small degrowth, not degrowth, very sorry. There was small negative alpha, you can say. 8% se kam tha, 9% negative, 16% positive, 42% and 34%. So what this study suggests that कि कोई एक साल में either it can be approx. So we have I think 3 months more for this strategy. So there's a chance that, sorry, in July, yeah. So we have few months more for this strategy. Just a second. Yeah, just a So we have few months more for this strategy. That is June 2021. So what happened? We can see a strategy where this strategy is at par with the index. It has been at par with the index 2 times. So there can be a scenario, sir, where this strategy will be at par with the index. So this can be the scenario. Now, so what is the benefit of having this strategy? Benefit of having this strategy is it's more of a risk averse strategy. So if you look at drawdowns, okay, आपको ये समझना होगा अजय जी कि जब वॉरेन बफेट is more of a safer strategy than of a return giver. रिटर्न गिविंग में ये एट पार हो सकता है, लेकिन फॉलिंग में ये एट पार भी नहीं होगा. सो लेट अस सी कि क्या पोजीशन है. 1.5%, 1%, 4%, 1%, 2%, which is nothing. 36% drawdown, it was 18% drawdown. So we need to understand that this strategy will be at par with the market when market is rising, but agar market falling, it will fall very less.
Sir, if you
How do you define the drawdown?
Sir, if you honestly look at it, is only one time where the strategy has done actually much better. Otherwise,
Exactly.
not at all better.
So you are buying huge quality stocks. So moreover, what we are suggesting, जब भी मेरे मार्केटिंग के फ्रेंड्स भी आपको गाइड करते हैं वॉरेन बफेट, सो उनको कहीं ना कहीं आप जो लोग जिन्होंने भी वॉरेन बफेट लिया है, they must have sensed that you guys doesn't want to lose much on your capital. Anybody who got confused with the return?
No, I just want to know what is the drawdown. Can you just define what is drawdown?
Let me
There are
explain
two
what-
things there. One is drawdown and then COVID drawdown.
Yeah, COVID drawdown. Okay, okay, we are coming to that. So
Yeah.
what is drawdown? Like you bought anything at 100 rupees,
Mhm.
okay, it has become 150 rupees.
Right.
From 150, the 150 with the profit mark in a particular year, and it came down to 130. So you lose 20 rupees. That is,
Correct.
so that 20 rupees is a drawdown. That percentage is a drawdown. Are you getting me, sir?
Okay, so that means from the peak, how much it has come down at this point of time?
आपने तो घर में कैपिटल ऐड कर दिया ना कि
Okay.
to you, if you're talking to any friend, I have invested 1 crore rupees over here, and now it is 1 crore 50 lakhs, and so you are very happy. On any particular day, if that 1 crore 50 lakh become 1 crore 30 lakhs, so what will you say? You will not say I'm gaining 30 lakhs. Generally, that investor does, and that is perfect. There's no wrong in it. And what you say? I'm losing 20 lakhs.
Yes, that is true.
So
Yeah.
it is that. So drawdown is your 18%, where market
Drawdown is like, deemed loss. Now, what could
Exactly.
have been a profit?
no deemed loss for them who has invested at 100 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Say for example, if you have invested at 150, then it would be an actual loss. So why we are showing this? Ki even if you have invested in peak at 150, the year was ended at 16% positive.
Hmm.
Okay. So at par आप कहीं ना कहीं इस strategy में आ जाते हैं. So this
But when you say, like it is for somebody who invested at 100, it is the, it's a dream loss. So when you drawdown is with reference to what value, what date you are taking drawdown?
from the highest peak, the day when index has made high,
Okay.
okay, and the peak of your portfolio.
Okay.
Okay. So friend, so this is the power of drawdown. So when you are looking at drawdown, this is so every strategy has been defined. See, what are the parameters we have taken in Warren Buffett? You need to understand. Ajay ji, please listen. If you have any query on any doubt, you can please ask, huh? Because we are answering your query. So, see, what is the kind of strategy we are using for Warren Buffett? It is annual EPS growth, free cash flow, a return on equity for 5 years, free cash flow for last 5 years, annual EPS. There should be EPS growth in 4 years, last 4 years out of 5 years. Debt equity ratio, when you are buying, it should not be above 0.3. That means you are buying A class company, no debt, growing in profits, clean profit, free cash flow, high return on equity for last 5 years.
Can I ask you one thing? Now,
Yes.
for example, let us say that I started this in June 6th of 2021, whatever it is the day when you are going to release. At that time, I bought it at 150 rupees. And for the year, you mean to say that I have got 34% against an index value of 42, but the drawdown is only 2%.
Yeah, drawdown is only
That is what
18%.
No,
Drawdown
here,
was,
yeah, whatever it is. This year it shows as minus 2%.
yeah,
So you mean to say that for 150 rupees minus 2.2% or
At
the
any
highest
point of
of this
time,
year,
any
peak of
point
this?
of time, yeah, any point of time in this year, it was maximum minus 2%, not more than that.
Yeah, but the actual return so far is 34%.
34%, yeah. So
Okay.
maximum drawdown which is happening in this strategy is only 3%. So you
Okay.
can understand how market has behaved. Nifty was down by 7%, 6%, 8% in last 1 year. When after the strategy has released July 2007, 7 July 2020. But the portfolio which you are holding in Warren Buffett was very little drawdown.
But don't you think that if you can also bring in somewhere in your app the sector analysis also, how that particular sector has performed during that year would be a great indicator.
We have sector analysis, VK Mohanji.
Yeah.
We do have sector analysis. We'll be showing you.
That is separately. No, not in this. Along with this, if it comes, it will be giving you a fair idea whether we are in the right sector or not.
No, you don't require to be friends. Please, VK Mohanji, sector analysis is totally a different strategy. Okay. When you are doing sector analysis, it's totally a different strategy. And this strategy does not, this strategy will have no effect on sector analysis.
Okay.
अगर आप इसके संग, you need to understand. आप sector में जा रहे हो, let's come back before sector. There are 4 understanding of by which your strategy is built. So let me again.
Earlier, I got your point. I got your point on the parameters that you have set. Yes.
Exactly. So let me give you again. So this strategy is a purely quality strategy, friends. Quality क्या करेगा? आपको stress नहीं देगा. Return optimum देखते रहेगा. और जिस समय भी वो optimum से कभी extra जाएगा, तो super normal profit दे देगा. Like this 9%, 40%. But ये बहुत rare होगा. Out of 6 year, you can see this has been only 1 year. Are you getting me, friends? Are you understanding?
Because ji,
Yes.
because this percentage of return is only average return, no, not absolute return, no.
This is absolute return of
This
all
34% is average return.
Average return of all the stocks which you have to purchase in Warren Buffett.
But actually,
if you are equally invested in
this year, till yesterday, the strategy is given only 29% absolute return, but average return is 34%.
Yeah.
29% only return, absolute return. It is not average return. Okay, may I correct?
No. See, let me show you. This is an average return of 15 stocks. This is an average return of all the 15 stocks. So this is absolute return which you are getting in your portfolio. Yeah, there can be a case like if you have added cost and everything, then I think 2-3% may be like vary. Otherwise, if you have invested the gross profit which you should make on your portfolio, if you have invested all the 15 stocks, should be 34% gross profit. Net profit can be 29 or 30, but the gross profit is 34%. Okay.
If you have invested in all the stocks, if you have invested in a subset, it can be different.
Yeah, exactly. That is true. That's true. So we are not suggesting anyone to invest anything like 10 le liya, 5 le liya, or 3 le liya. Even we do not suggest to buy 14 stocks. Buy all the 15, buy all the 11, buy all the 13, buy all the 10, buy all the 8, and invest equal amount in all these stocks. This is how strategy is derived.
Right. So other question I have about this strategy is, in your PMS, do you use any of these strategies, or is it a combination of these strategies? What is that you use?
We have some different strategy in PMS. So that is purely based on QBS and AGS now.
Sorry?
In PMS, we have this strategy only, but
Yeah.
there also we use QBS and AGS. So we are getting good success in PMS because we are using AGS and QBS there. So not much, but yes, combination of all these strategies with ABS and AGS and QBS.
Hello.
Yes, Aditya, tell me.
It is a meeting of sir Warren Buffett strategy or large mid cap.
So Warren Buffett is large and mid cap.
Yes. I have not taken it. I have to large growth strategy.
You have not taken what?
I have a large growth strategy.
No issue. We'll be discussing that. So if you have not taken, so it's the best chance to take Warren Buffett. Okay. So Sirohi, so what I was saying, Ajay Sirohi ji, कि अगर मार्केट यहाँ से गिरता है, ठीक है, तो वॉलेटिलिटी होल्ड रखने के लिए जो अगर like Venkat ji has issue, he said कि only doubt is what will happen to market. So Warren Buffett is a kind of strategy. अगर मार्केट यहाँ से 15% गिर जाएगा, तो आप देखेंगे आपका स्ट्रेटेजी खाली 5-7% ही गिरेगा. तो आप देखोगे कि ये एट पार ही आ जाएगा, और मार्केट और गिरता है तो ये वही होल्ड रह जाएगा. So it is that kind of strategy. Now, if you want any strategy which should beat the index now in this rising market, okay, so there is strategy which is I think the Kenneth Fisher is doing very well. Anybody in the group who is enjoying Kenneth Fisher? कोई है जो enjoy कर रहे Kenneth Fisher?
I have just taken it, but I have not started because I think I'll be given.
Which strategy?
Kenneth Fisher, I have taken.
Kenneth Fisher. So
विकास जी हमने लिया हुआ है. Kenneth Fisher हमने लिया हुआ है.
तो अगर आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है तो you must be enjoying it. The way the Kenneth Fisher has given return. So Ajay ji, now you can see, so this is the strategy. Index is 42% and it is 69%. There are 15 stock. So see, ऐसे होता है. Now इसमें क्या है? इसमें हम लोगों ने 5 साल का सेल्स नहीं डाला है. अब इसमें अगर ड्रॉडाउन होगा तो ऐसा ड्रॉडाउन होगा. 36% अगर इंडेक्स गिरेगा, so the chance of this strategy to fall will be 42%. Are you understanding me, friend? Okay. Yeah. So this would not be a good strategy for those who have a little weaker heart. Even I don't have a strong heart. So if I need to invest, so I will never invest in Kenneth Fisher. I will only enjoy seeing these kind of return in Kenneth Fisher. So are you understanding me? So आपने ध्यान दिया होगा when Warren Buffett. So anybody who would have taken this strategy 1 year ago, 2 years ago, say he would have been making this comment कि Warren Buffett has given 9%, 16% return if an index is -9. But see, this strategy was -3%, 2.89%. So ये जो अप डाउन है ना स्ट्रेटेजीज में, ये होते रहेंगे. ठीक है, हर एक स्ट्रेटेजी का लॉजिक अलग है. उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग है, उन सबका एनवायरनमेंट अलग है, वो किस एनवायरनमेंट में परफॉर्म करेंगे वो अलग है. राइजिंग मार्केट में Kenneth Fisher would be a boon, amazing strategy. But in falling market, to keep on your equity, छोड़ना नहीं अपना equity को, उस समय वॉरेन बफेट बेस्ट है.
ठीक है धीरज.
Siddharth ji,
नहीं मेरे
just
पास
one question.
Yeah, please
ठीक है.
Ankit, you can ask.
ओके धीरज.
हाँ सर, द थिंग इज दैट कि मैंने अभी जो स्ट्रैटेजीज ली उसके साथ आई गॉट दिस केनेथ फिशर का,
हाँ,
बट कोइंसिडेंटली ये मुझे 4-5 दिन पहले ही मिली.
कोई
उसके बाद में मार्केट करेक्ट हो रहा है. तो एज यू सेड कि निफ्टी इज फॉलिंग, उससे ज्यादा मेरा केनेथ फिशर का स्ट्रैटेजी इज फेलिंग. बट नो वरीज बिकॉज़ आई डोंट हैव अ वीकर हार्ट इन मार्केट.
That's what. आप देखिए वहां पे हम लोग ने डेट इक्विटी लिया है 0.30. It means no loan. I don't want any kind of loan in the company.
Okay.
We have in this strategy we have taken 1.25 as a debt equity ratio.
Yeah.
So we are not double. I think 5 times. Almost 5 times, 4.5 times.
So because all the shares are good quality stock in this, so I'm not worried. But yeah, now I understand why is it falling more than the market.
Exactly.
What is MF? What is MF?
When market will go up.
Yes, sir.
More than the market when market will go down.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Vikas ji, I have a question.
Yeah, Venkat ji, tell me.
So you addressed it very rightly when the markets are in the rising markets and the falling market strategies. I have a question that what kind of strategy is better in a consolidating market? I mean, it's neither, it's like a range bound. See, this is what I'll tell you. In the falling market is always good for quality stocks. Rising
Sideways
markets
market.
anyway. So what if the market is range bound? That is what it's more frustrating,
Okay.
Neither.
No issue. I will explain you. So in consolidating market, the best strategy, anybody in the group can say, those who have attended our webinar on growth, quality, valuation and price, जिन्होंने भी ये 4 लॉजिक में हमारे जो हम लोग जिन्होंने भी हमारे स्ट्रेटजीज को यूज किया है इन और हैव टेकन ट्रेनिंग ऑन दिस 4 अंडरस्टैंडिंग 4 पिलर्स, growth, valuation, momentum and quality. Anybody who have attended us 2 years ago in the group, we have 99 people, full house. Anybody who has attended us for 2 years ago? No one. Okay, let me tell. So only 2 kind of strategies does well. Okay, the first strategy is growth. When you are buying any growth strategy in consolidated markets, there is a very simple logic why growth strategy do well. So हम लोगों ने, that is the reason we have created quarterly strategies. So अगर markets are in range bound, if they are not going up, neither they are coming down, they are trading in a range of, say for example, Nifty 1000 point. So 1000 points of range is there. So what will happen? Any company, any new company, any surprise in profits and sales growth will take that stock highs. So what will happen if there is no surprise? We are not ready to, we are not interested in seeing that stock. So this is the market behavior. Okay. So and the second strategy can be price momentum, but price momentum related to sector. When there is a consolidation phase in market, only few sector goes up, only few sector does well. So क्या होता है उस समय? So we do not unfortunately we do not have any quarterly sector strategy, so that you can get benefit of that. We have annual strategy that would be very late. So basically momentum के पहले growth. So अगर आपको consolidated phase में अगर कोई strategy में investment करना है, then growth. तो जैसे जैसे नई कंपनियों में growth आते जाएंगे, because what will happen? Market consolidate कब करती है? Emerging market like us, India, they consolidated at a higher level. They will never consolidate lower level. वो नीचे के भाव में कभी भी consolidate नहीं करेगी. Like market fell in March, within no time it came to its all-time high. यहाँ पे it can consolidate, but lower levels पे, because we are emerging, we are excited with the growth, so we'll never consolidate lower level. will consolidate at a higher level. और हायर लेवल में जब जैसे ही सैचुरेशन आएगा कोई स्टॉक्स में, वो स्टॉक्स इंटरेस्ट से बाहर हो जाएगी. जैसे ही उसमें एक्साइटमेंट आएगा, इट विल कम इन इंटरेस्ट, एंड फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर इट विल गो अप. So when you are, so anybody who is taking quarterly strategy, so that is why coincidentally our quarterly strategies are so famous, because it helped in consolidated market. And friends, you will,
Because
yeah, yes sir,
can you take mid cap price momentum?
yes sir, yes, sure,
That is underperforming the index.
yeah.
See, normally we buy momentum strategy so that we can outbeat the index.
Correct sir. Yes, no, 23 and 23 sir. Mid cap price momentum.
Maybe in the last few days it must have picked up.
Yeah, so
Because the index has come down.
so
Because the index has come down. My point is, if you at any point of time, 10 days back, if you check the data, it was underperforming.
in
My
10
point is, here we buy the strategy for three months. We buy the stocks for 3 months.
True.
If after 1 month you feel that this stock is not in momentum or has lost momentum, you can at least replace few stocks with you can give us some options. You can replace these items with these items.
No,
Otherwise, the results will be, you see other results also from 20th November to 20th February. And then you see 7th September to 20th November, index was 13% and this was 10%. From 6th July to 7th September, it was 10%, it was 10%.
True.
It was minus 15, it was minus 13. So there is hardly any gains. We are buying a strategy, you are at least morally bound to at least keep the returns higher than the index returns.
That's true, sir. But we need to understand this. Like, see, so this was 1 year performance in mid cap price momentum. If you look
Even
at,
if you say the consolidated performance of 2021, it is 31 and it is less than 31.
so see what can happen in coming.
The name of the strategy is momentum.
Yeah, that's true.
Can't you identify momentum after releasing the stocks also? After 1 month, let us see how they are performing.
No, I think that would be like, I think RKG ki that would be a very heroic move. और अगर हम लोग वैसा करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग रॉन्ग स्टॉक पे भी फंस सकते हैं. See, आप लोग रिटर्न बिकॉज मार्केट्स आर एट हाई, so the investor will more focus on return.
वो तो आपके रिलीज टाइम पे हम रॉन्ग स्टॉक्स में फंस ही रहे हैं every time. You can see for the last 4 quarters.
No.
There is hardly any outperformance.
So that because the index is also moving very fast. आपको ये भी समझना होगा कि इंडेक्स भी बहुत फास्ट है.
That is why you need to change the stocks immediately. If you are not able to keep pace with the index, then at least we should make some changes.
We are making
maybe
ऐसा requirement अगर आता है.
That means you mean to say
जैसे
that
20th नवंबर को आपने 20th नवंबर को आपने रिलीज किया, आप 20 दिसंबर को एक बार रिव्यू कर लें उसको, फिर 20th जनवरी को रिव्यू कर लें.
It would be very difficult.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उस रॉन्ग स्टॉक में फंसे ही रहना है.
नहीं वो रॉन्ग स्टॉक तो नहीं है सर. फिर समझिए, मैं आपको फिर बता रहा हूँ, आप खाली एक ही डायरेक्शन में सोच रहे हैं. इफ यू आर,
स्ट्रेटजी का नाम है मोमेंटम.
एकदम राइट
स्ट्रेटजी का नाम है,
एकदम राइट है. प्लस प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इफ यू हैव अ कार विथ यू, यू हैव एक्सीलेटर एंड यू आल्सो हैव अ स्टीयरिंग. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप अभी खाली एक्सीलेटर पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. आप ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे अपना पेस को भी नॉर्मल रखना है एंड हैव टू मूव इन राइट डायरेक्शन. अगर मैं एक्सीलेटर दबा दूं और राइट डायरेक्शन में चला जाऊं, दैट वुड बी, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन सर. You have asked you have given your query. Can I explain, sir? Can I explain, sir? Rakesh ji. Hello. Rakesh ji. Okay. So point ये है कि हम
Hello.
लोग को ये भी ध्यान रखना है. Yes, hello.
A large cap undergrowth is also underperforming, sir. What to do?
I will see
Please,
that.
sir.
First of all, let me explain. So we all are misguiding with the understanding that these are underperforming. These are at par. Please do not misguide yourself and do not misguide me.
What is meant by, sir, at
First
par?
of all, these are not underperformance. 1%, 1.5%, 2% is not an underperformance. Please.
What is meant by par, sir? I don't understand.
What is meant by?
Par. You say.
At par is 31% and 30% is not an underperformance. That is what.
Vikas, sorry, my internet went off.
Yeah. So राकेश जी,
Yeah,
मैं आपको जो बताना चाह रहा था, प्लीज लिसन. आप एक चीज पॉइंट समझिए जो आपने सवाल पूछा है. उस सवाल का जवाब ये है कि सबसे पहले आपको ये समझना है कि आपको यहाँ पे रिटर्न और रिस्क को भी मैनेज रखना है. इफ यू आर गोइंग, आप मोमेंटम में ध्यान रख रहे हो और आपने रिस्क को मैनेज नहीं रखा
देखिए,
है.
मोमेंटम में ध्यान रख रहे हैं. मार्केट इज आल्सो मूविंग फास्ट and it is in one direction only.
So you did not. What we have understood, Rakesh ji, we can change strategies day by day. आप आज लेके कल भी चेंज कर सकते हो. You can find stock कि अगर आज ये तो 5% तेज था, कल 2% माइनस है, तो let's exit on third day. So that
मैं डे बाय डे की नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं एटलीस्ट मंथ की बात कर रहा हूँ. मंथली रिव्यू.
So that would not be a fundamental analysis, because in India you are getting your result in quarterly. So how you are going to decide monthly?
No. See how in momentum we are selecting the stocks.
We are selecting.
We are seeing last 6 months positive, last 12 months positive.
We are also seeing that there's EPS profit.
We are measuring momentum only. What change in the price is happening?
Exactly. We are.
Fundamentals are not changing. We are just seeing which stock is getting momentum and which stock is not getting momentum.
Correct.
So but if you find that after a month one stock is not restart, if you अब अगर आप कार का एग्जांपल लें तो ये कार स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो रही है, तो उस कार को चेंज करने की कोशिश करें.
नहीं, दरकार ही नहीं सर. आपने कार स्टार्ट हो गई है ऑलरेडी. देयर इज अ 23% ऑफ रिटर्न इन दिस क्वार्टर व्हिच इज एट पार विद द इंडेक्स. आप क्यों कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो, बट मैं आपको बात बता रहा हूं कि वी आर एट पार विद द इंडेक्स. सो डोंट थिंक आप हर बार इंडेक्स को बीट करेंगे. आप हर बार इंडेक्स को बीट करेंगे
तो फिर हम इंडेक्स में ना इन्वेस्ट कर लेंगे.
विकास जी,
why should we pay for the strategy?
Yes, hello.
देवांशु, हम स्ट्रेटजी क्या हमारे एप्लीकेशन में एक पैरामीटर है AGS.
Yes.
AGS भी यही मेजर करता है ना कि आपका जो स्टॉक है उसने इंडेक्स को कितनी बार बीट किया है.
करेक्ट.
सो अगर हम वो AGS फिर AGS को हम क्यों लेके रखते हैं हम? ठीक है, जब अगर हम इंडेक्स को बीट कर रहा है कितनी बार, उस हिसाब से पिक कर रहे हैं, तो हमारी ये स्ट्रेटेजी तो इंडेक्स के बराबर चल रही है.
एग्जैक्टली.
सेकेंडली, ऐसे बहुत सारे म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं जो इंडेक्स बेस्ड है. वहां हम उनका परफॉर्मेंस कैसे मेजर करते हैं? हम उनका परफॉर्मेंस मेजर करते हैं कि कितनी बार उसने अपने बेंचमार्क को बीट किया है.
करेक्ट.
बट यहाँ तो हम बीट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं एक भी टाइम.
एक मिनट, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप कब बीट नहीं कर पा रहे. इट्स नॉट दैट कि आपको, you need to understand you cannot measure any particular strategy for 1 month, 3 month, 1 year only. So अगर आप देखेंगे तो maximum time ये इंडेक्स को बीट कर रही है.
सर, पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस इज नो गारंटी ऑफ फ्यूचर ना. हम अभी करंट की बात करें, करंट ईयर में तो हमें नहीं मिल रहा ना.
करंट ईयर में you need to have patience. When have you purchased the strategy? दिव्यांशु जी,
6 महीने हो गए सर.
हाँ, 6 महीने हुए ना. 6 महीने में आप एक स्ट्रेटेजी को जज कर लेंगे.
It is more than 3 quarters now.
हाँ, यस. तो आपको वेट करना होगा. एटलीस्ट गिव स्ट्रेटजी अ टाइम. और अगर रिक्वायरमेंट
एक साल में 3 क्वार्टर तो अंडर परफॉर्म किए हैं, उसके बाद भी क्या वेट करेंगे?
अंडर परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है. आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग रॉन्ग आरके जी. वेरी सॉरी टू से, आप यू आर मिसगाइडिंग द टीम.
देखिए, आप देख लीजिए ना.
नहीं विकास जी, we expect it to beat the benchmark.
Exactly.
We expect you to beat the benchmark. Don't talk about
this. Is not happening.
हम लोग विकास जी सब लोग साथ बोल रहे हैं. विकास जी, आपका ना ऐप में बड़ी अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन है और इट इज अ फीडबैक एज ए फ्रेंड कि आप ना थोड़ा स्ट्रेटेजीज पे भी ना सोचिए. जो सब लोग कह रहे हैं ना कि एक बार देख के छोड़ दिया, कहीं पर भी रिव्यू इज ऑलवेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और कभी भी हार्ड स्टिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू ऑल्सो वांट टू ग्रो एंड वी ऑल्सो वांट टू ग्रो. योर ऐप इज वेरी गुड. लेकिन सर, जो स्ट्रेटेजीज पे आपका कंसंट्रेशन है ना, मतलब आप लोग अपने आप सोच लीजिए, क्योंकि जो हम सबका मत बन रहा है कि एक बार करके यू डोंट रिव्यू. और सब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेल यू सर कि मेरे पास स्टॉक एक्सेस का मिलर्स था जो कि मोमेंटम था, उसमें वो लोग क्वार्टरली सीरीज है और उसमें क्या करते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं कि स्टॉक्स देते हैं, प्रॉफिट भी बुक कराते हैं और नए भी करते हैं, चेंज भी करते हैं और उसके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आ रहे हैं। तो आपका ऐप बहुत अच्छा है, वी हैव नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स, लेकिन आप अगर थोड़ा सा हार्ड फास्ट होने से, क्योंकि सबका ये व्यू बन रहा है कि आप जो रिव्यू नहीं करते हैं
थोड़ा सा
ना,
इस पर डायनेमिकली मैनेज करना पड़ेगा।
सर रिव्यू के अलावा आप अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी के जो पैरामीटर्स हैं ना, जो फिल्टर्स हैं, मे बी उसको एक बार चेंज करिए, क्योंकि वही फिल्टर्स आप लगातार यूज कर रहे हैं, उसमें रिजल्ट नहीं आ
I
रहा है।
also supporting. It should not be review
Actually,
really.
what we have used this in this quarter, जो हमारे नए स्ट्रेटजी रिलीज होंगे, क्वार्टरली स्ट्रेटजी जो रिलीज होंगे, because QBS and AGS was new thing which we have introduced in last 6 months. So what we are doing in current next strategy जो हम लोग की आने वाली है 20 तारीख को, already we have added AGS and QBS in it. So हो सकता है with adding that we might get some good return. So
और विकास जी मतलब जिस समय जो व्यक्ति ना स्ट्रेटेजी लेता है तो आपको ना उसको सजेस्ट करना भी ठीक है कि अगर 6 महीने पहले आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी रिलीज हो गई है जून में और कोई दिसंबर में ले रहा है, हो सकता है वो स्ट्रेटेजी ना हो, उसको नहीं पता होगा, हमें आपके जितना नहीं पता है, तो वो भी सजेशंस कि इस समय आपके लिए कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी टाइम के हिसाब से ठीक होगी वो भी सजेस्ट करना चाहिए।
वो तो सही, I'm absolutely right because I've just bought this strategy. You are this thing only 1 week back. I was suggested Kingfisher and large cap strategy. But this Kingfisher, you are going to suggest new stocks only in June.
Strategy will do well. All the strategy will do well because most of the stocks which we are taking out of parameter are back tested. Okay, so कब strategies आपकी जो प्रोफाइल है, like what
बैक टेस्टेड का मतलब ये नहीं कि फ्यूचर परफॉर्म करेगी। बैक टेस्टेड doesn't mean that they will perform in future.
Because what they are telling now, we are in February. Suppose today somebody is purchasing the 1 year strategy.
Okay.
So 1 year strategy I have given, I think month of June or July.
Okay.
That is June to June.
June to June, correct.
Correct, na? Suppose if you see the strategy, it has given 30% result returns. Today somebody purchased the strategy, then there is a market correction for next 3 months. Yeah, consolidation.
So how
those guys they are not going to get any benefit. That's what they are giving the feedback.
Jagan, I can understand. First of all, we do not have anything on our hand. When will market correct? Like
No. You are not understanding the complete. No. Let me complete. So what they are telling, instead of suggesting that 1 year strategy, either you should have the different plan for this 3 months or 4 months.
I have just joined, Vikas ji, I have just joined in February.
जो जून के बाद दिसंबर में स्ट्रेटेजी ले रहा है ना, उसके लिए वो स्ट्रेटेजी बासी हो गई है, उसको पता नहीं है। और जैसे मैंने जिसमें स्ट्रेटेजी ली थी, मेरे पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी। मैंने बोला कि जो आप सजेस्ट करेंगे बेस्ट है, और मेरा अगर रिस्क प्रोफाइल देखेंगे वो भी अच्छा खासा था कि आई वाज प्रिपेयर्ड टू टेक रिस्क आल्सो, और मुझे नहीं पता था कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी की। आई लेफ्ट इट टू योर पीपल। तो मतलब दिस अप टू यू। और सर पता है क्या, आपका ऐप बहुत अच्छा है, आई एम ऑल पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट, और ये जो मैं सजेशन दे रहा हूँ इट इज ओनली टू इम्प्रूव, क्योंकि इम्प्रूव होगा आपका भी फायदा, हमारा भी फायदा।
ऑलवेज अजय जी एक चीज ध्यान रखिए, इनफैक्ट कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट हम लोगों ने किया, इफ यू गाइस हैव नोटिस्ड इन लास्ट 6 मंथ।
No doubt, because no doubt that is the reason I bought 4 strategies. No doubt.
विकास
जी आप ऐप में इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, इतना थोड़ा स्ट्रेटेजी पे दिमाग लगा लीजिए।
तो पहले एक बार बता दें आप लोग कौन बात कर रहा है, प्लीज एक बीच में बात ना करें, मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगा ऐसे। I will not
take your permission and talk.
Yes, please request कि एक जन एक बार में बात करें।
Sir, can I speak? Vivek.
Yeah, Vivek ji, please.
Because actually I have bought this strategy, Nifty Index Trend Strategy, monthly.
Okay. Monthly.
Okay.
Nifty Index Strategy. Okay.
Yeah. Now I have taken a trade also this time, option trade and future. But I have seen future went up to 52,000 profit.
But
no update given.
We're very sorry to say, first of all, we are not going to discuss Nifty here because this is for investors who are investing in large and mid cap. So we
I am having large cap also.
So we can discuss
but
on that. We can discuss on that.
what the other people are saying, no, there's no updates are coming. The
Can we
same
discuss
way
the
it went.
underperformance of low P strategy?
राकेश जी प्लीज मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपसे, आप प्लीज ऐसे बीच में बात मत करिए, आप सबको कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, आप बात करें तो
I will just finish.
अच्छा, इसके बाद मुझे दीजिएगा चांस में मुझे.
Because you just 2 seconds, it went up to 52,000 profit I have seen on the screen, and
Great.
now it went to 30,000. Many times I asked, is the updates are there? So they said that no, we will, whenever you bought it, we sent you the email and WhatsApp and SMS and everything. The same way you will receive for selling also. So profit booking is not done yet.
Yeah. No issue.
Vikas ji, can I speak for 30 seconds? Ajay Suroi.
Just a second. So Vivek ji, ऐसा हो सकता है, there can be a scenario that we have not booked profit because of strategy. Because strategy is not asking us to book the profit. Okay, so जब तक strategy नहीं बोलेगा, see there can be lots of, यही तो emotions और machine में फर्क है सर, जो हम लोगों ने टेस्टिंग किया है वो यही फर्क है सर. ठीक है विवेक जी,
Okay, I got it. This is first time I bought it, so I will just wait for your updates.
Yeah, we will update.
Yeah, okay sir,
Yeah.
thank you.
Anybody who is asking?
Can I speak? Can I speak now?
Yes sir, Rakesh ji, you can say.
Can we discuss the underperformance of low PE strategy also? Sunil Singhania, which was earlier.
Sunil Singhania, yeah. First of all, let me also tell you guys कि अब की बार हम लोग already we have started doing work on QBS and AGS. So अब जो भी strategies release होंगी, we are also going to see the AGS and QBS is there in strategy, so that strategy should do well. And meanwhile, जो भी अभी तक अगर under performance या at par performance है, that we can see.
I had purchased 2 strategies. One mid-cap price momentum, which you have already shown that it is underperforming. Now I'll show you other strategy,
Please,
which is also.
मैं राकेश जी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अंडर परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है, it is at par. 30% is not an under performance. Please. So that is not
42% index performance.
Yeah. Now this is I can understand, this is under 42% and 30%, but we still have time left for this strategy to end. So wait for that. We cannot be in rush to identify कि underperformance or performance. और जो आप बोल रहे राकेश जी, हर एक strategy का एक time period है. We have time period 3 months. Yes, you can ask, that can be a new feedback for us, that if we can change strategy in 1 month.
My idea.
Yes.
My idea of raising this point is that during the period or continuation of this strategy, you should be dynamic enough to change few stocks which are not performing. I can name a stock here which is not performing at all from that date. Why don't you change that stock to some other stock? In cement stock, you have given one stock which is not performing at all, while other cement stocks are performing.
True. So Rakesh, okay, can I speak now? Rakesh? Can I give you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. See, because why did we first created these strategies? What was the reason behind creating these strategies? Investor need not to buy and sell every day. You have a particular date of entry, you have a particular date of exit. Okay.
No,
now if we do like this कि 1 महीने बाद या 10 दिन बाद आपको मैं अचानक से बोलूं, because see this strategy from your feedback, I got one very good understanding from Rakesh ji is like for momentum strategy we can have a monthly strategy. Yeah, हम लोग हो सकते हैं, we are having quarterly strategy. This feedback I can add on.
You can monthly review it.
So yeah,
you can review it monthly.
Exactly.
What is
वो point समझ में आया सर आपका. हालांकि we are having that strategy on board अभी, like stock derivative जिसमें monthly हम लोग momentum ही है mostly. So उसके अंदर हम लोग देख सकते हैं, और whatever I will try to give this feedback to sir also कि हम लोग अगर if we can add one monthly strategy to the list कि जिससे कि जो momentum में
monthly strategy. I'm not saying I'm not saying to add a monthly strategy. What I'm saying is you should have a monthly review of momentum.
So that is what I'm saying. See, already लोगों को ये बताने के लिए राकेश जी कि 20 तारीख को क्वार्टरली स्ट्रेटेजी का रीबैलेंसिंग है, ये भी लोगों को ध्यान नहीं रहता है. और अगर मैं महीने दर महीने अगर उनको स्टॉक्स में रिलीज करूं, नया नया स्टॉक दूं, बहुत ज्यादा सर उन लोग के लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. आप मैनेज कर पा रहे
हैं. You keep it for 3 months. What I'm saying is, out of 15 stocks, you can change at least 3 stocks, 4 stocks, 8 stocks, whatever is your hunger satisfies.
I agree to this fact, sir. But point is, मैं बार-बार एक ही बात बोलूंगा आपको कि यहाँ पे difficulty कहाँ आएगी कि we will not do justice for the people who have taken this strategy for a quarter. So हम लोग उसको साइड रखते हैं राकेश जी. I will try to make a one month strategy.
बट अगर अगर आपने क्वार्टरली विंडो रखना है तो देन यू सी द परफॉर्मेंस.
दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना. ऑलरेडी व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव एडेड QBS. आपको अब दिख भी जाएगा. वी हैव एडेड QBS एंड AGS. क्वार्टरली वाले सारे स्ट्रेटजी में आपको दिख जाएगा दैट वी हैव एडेड QBS एंड AGS इन दिस स्ट्रेटजी, जिससे कि हम लोग को और चांस मिल जाएगा कि जैसे because see in last 6 months we got the understanding of तो हो सकता है कि हम लोग को वो हेल्प करे. और फिर मैं वापस से बताऊंगा आपको, बार बार आप लोगों को बोलूंगा कि आप लोग अभी फिलहाल खाली मोमेंटम देख रहे हैं. आई विल ऑल्सो से कि प्लीज लुक एट द रिस्क ऑल्सो. इस स्ट्रेटेजीज में हम लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा, आई एग्री, एक आई कैन कन्फेस दिस कि हम लोगों ने रिस्क को बहुत ध्यान दिया है कि जिससे क्लाइंट्स रॉन्ग इन्वेस्टमेंट में ना फंसे. तो बहुत बार हम लोगों ने कुछ पुअर स्टॉक्स को जिनका क्वालिटी उतना अच्छा नहीं है उनको हटाया है. बट यस, वी कैन हैव वन बैलेंस अप्रोच. सो वी आर डूइंग QBS and AGS in this strategy. So I hope this will do well. That is what I can say now, and let's see in future what happens. So we are having this kind of session every day, so we can discuss on this.
Yes, because Parag here.
Rashmi here.
Parag ji.
Yeah, actually, क्या है ना, we have come here to learn.
Yeah.
1 hour is only gone for, taking this people's. So this should not be the platform all the time. Those who have individual issues, they should be talking to you directly.
That's
because see, we are here to learn.
Yes,
if you are not learning, we'll not get any value, na.
No, Parag ji, but you need to understand when you are investing. So what I think this was also a practical session for me and for all of those who are attending the session, कि उनको स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में पता चला कि कहाँ कुछ गलत जा रहा है या कहाँ सही जा रहा है. तो एवरीथिंग, so we have 1 hour left, so हम लोग आगे स्टडीज भी कर सकते हैं.
क्या होता है ना, ट्रेनिंग का कोई स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए. We are going nowhere. I think you should have a structure which will only restrict yourself to large and mid cap. That's it. We should not entertain and other strategies, ना.
विकास जी सर बोल रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हैं. 1 घंटा आप जो हमें सिखाना है ना, सिखा देते हैं या बाद में, और या अब आज के लिए क्वेश्चंस बहुत हो गए, आप हमें सिर्फ सिखाइए.
So that is why you must be seeing कि मैंने हर एक क्वेश्चन को अब कहीं ना कहीं काम दे भी दिया.
बट नहीं, आपने बराबर दिया है. बट दिस क्वेश्चन दे शुड talk to you directly or somebody in the company, not at this forum. That is the thing.
Sir, I want to suggest something here. Though it is a learning session, sir can adopt one technique. Is that suppose this is 2-hour session, so first 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes, totally that orientation will happen, and the last 45 minutes the QA session will happen where people can ask the queries. Because when others also ask the queries, that is also kind of a learning for the freshers.
In a mood to take session today, I don't need to take everybody saying too much thing. And और किसी को session लेना है क्या? Anybody who need to take session, or should we start today? We start today.
Please start, na.
Yeah. So large and mid cap. So it was a healthy discussion, I must say. Anybody agree or disagree? But yes, it helped us to improve. A small thing I want to say that सो ये कोई भी जो डिस्कशन हो रही थी हम लोगों के बीच में, लाइक राकेश जी और विद दिव्यांशु जी और विद शिरोही जी, आई थिंक दिस वर हेल्दी डिस्कशन टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर आवर पोर्टफोलियो इज गोइंग. So if we are making any mistake or we are not adapting anything, so that is so we have a check on it. So मेरे को लगता है over the phone और या कैसे भी ये चीज हो नहीं सकता था. तो we had good session. Thank you. And we have already started working on this part. So हम लोग इसको अच्छा करेंगे और अब हम लोग सेशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. So friends, thank you for all those questions. So we are already updating, and if कुछ बाकी रह जाता तो we will on next week we will be discussing further on this. So let us come back.
एक लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट
हाँ जी सर.
कभी भी किसी स्क्रिप्ट से अगर आपको क्विक करवाना है लाइक KRBL, तो उसके लिए एक मेल ना डालें, व्हाट्सएप भी साथ कर दें ताकि कस्टमर्स को ये आइडिया रहे, क्योंकि वो every time anybody not on the mail surfing.
No issue. We'll do that. Sachin ji. We'll keep that as a feedback. Okay. So friends, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लार्ज एंड मिड कैप. So generally to understand, so I will ask some of the queries to all the participants जो लोग भी आए हैं कि so generally what is the time when you should invest in large and mid cap? Anybody in the group? So when should you buy? When should you expect return from large and mid cap? Because आज we are on kind of return के हम लोग area पे हैं. So what is that area when you buy large and mid cap? So how does large and mid cap behave? Okay, first of all, large and mid cap, let me ask if anybody in the group who doesn't know what is large and mid cap. How many companies are there in large and mid cap? What is total number of stocks in large cap? Can I have? We have 98 people in the group who have attended. Wrong answer for large cap. Large cap. How many stocks are there in large cap? Raghunathan ji is writing 150.
0 to 100.
100. Okay, thank you. 0 to 100. Jagan Naidu is writing 250. Seriously, Parag ji, you were 100% correct. The group needs session. They don't need all this discussion because few of them doesn't know what is large cap. So 1 to 100 is large cap. So top 100 companies, those who are you, please mute yourself. So let me mute all for some time. Yeah. So 1 to 100 stocks, the top richest 100 companies of India, listed richest company of India are large cap. So top 100 are large cap. So those who have written 150, somebody who have written 50. So please correct, sir. So top 100 companies are large cap. So let us see what are top 100 companies of India. Just a second. And can you also write what are mid cap? What is the definition of mid cap? How many companies are there in mid cap? We have 96 people. Okay, Parag ji has written 101 to 250. Thank you. Anybody who? So I think most of you guys know now. Okay, somebody is still writing 101 to 300. No, 150 companies are mid cap companies. Okay, so from 101 to 250 are mid cap companies. Okay, so 250 company, top 250 largest companies as per market capitalization are considered as a large cap and mid cap. Okay, the market cap मतलब उनका wealth कितना है, how much they are wealthy. ठीक है, so let us see which is the topmost company in country right now as per the wealth.